We'll start with Bathurst. You've had a bit of time to think about it. What did that win mean to you? What does it mean to you?
Oh, I don't know. I don't think about it like that, but certainly, yeah, the day itself was pretty awesome, how everything went. The whole weekend went well and we built up, and yeah, just that feeling of crossing the line and seeing all my teammates, how stoked everyone was. Yeah, something I'll remember forever, but yeah, I don't know, just as motivated as ever to go and do it again next year.
You finished the race, you grabbed the flag. I mean, it was like someone scripted that. It was so romantic, Holden's last hurrah. What were you thinking? Were you aware of that? What happened?
Yeah, I didn't realise how much it meant at the time until after. You see all the shots and all the messages I got from the Holden people who have been Holden fans for years. And yeah, that shot is iconic, I guess, for Bathurst and the last factory Holden deal. And yeah, I'm really glad I did it and didn't do a massive burnout or anything. I think that meant more than anything.
I want to get on to your rally driving, but first of all, looking ahead to 22, the Gen3, I mean, how excited are you about the future of supercars?
Yeah, it looks cool. I think, the Camaro is going to look awesome. The other brand, it looks cool as well. It looks like it should. It's a tough looking car. They both are. And then hopefully some other brands as well. So yeah, I think it's a step in the right direction. There's a few things they need to work out and what direction, but it's pretty cool.
I've known you a long time. I'm pretty sure that managed isolation that you're in would have been the longest time you haven't held a handlebar or a steering wheel in probably, 25 years?
Yeah, but the March lockdown was longer, but yeah, the 2 weeks was good. It was obviously on a high for the first week. That made it go quick, and then second week got a bit dragged out. But yeah, got some cool stuff planned for summer with the rally and motocross and speedway and stuff. So plenty going on.
Yeah, let's talk about that, because you roll out of isolation and get straight into learning pace notes and all sorts. You don't do anything by halves.
Yeah, but straight at the deep end, it's a feeling I don't get too much nowadays. Is just that feeling of how are you going to go. You just got no idea what level you're going to be at, and it was pretty cool. And I'm going to get humbled, I think, this weekend, and I can't wait. It'll be awesome to have something to strive for.
How excited are you by the whole event?
Oh, the Jack's Ridge itself, seeing that entry list and even the old names like the Hawkswoods, Joe McAndrew and stuff like that. That'd be cool to see them driving, but then also competing against the Paddens and the Summerfields and stuff like that. It's going to be pretty cool. I won't be in the same league as them, but at least I'll have a good reference.
I do have to ask, all-wheel drive or rear-wheel drive? Which one is making you smile the most?
Rear-wheel drive, yeah.
I thought you'd say that.
The way the Escort drives and sounds like, yeah, you can't beat it, and Dad raves on about it, but now I finally understand.
All those years just been watching him do it, now you know why he loved it.
Oh, it's amazing, yeah.